Okay, thank you for coming to my website. And this is for the HempWorks business opportunity. And this is my bonus page and sort of my introductory page. And right now I'm making this video that's going to go right here. So by the time you get here, that video will be on this page. And this will be the page you'll be on. So this is about, if you click on this, you will take the tour of the business opportunity for the highest quality hemp-derived CBD oil available. And this will take you through the business opportunity with all the different products. So you'll fill out this information here, click here, and it'll take you through the program. Okay? So I want to offer you some different bonuses. So you can also come in here and get a free sample, which includes 2 small vials of the CBD oil and some different creams for aging and things like that. So it's a $40 value. You're going to get it for $11.95, which includes the shipping. And then if at that point you want to upgrade for another $20 to become an affiliate, you can do that. And so you'll be an affiliate for $31.95. So it's a great way to get started, and if you get involved in the company, and you get that $20 includes a website and all the tools you could ever need to get started. But there's different levels you can come in at. There's unranked, builder, director, and executive, and this is just a quick overview. It'll go through this, but I just wanted to show you, coming in at executive, you get more commissions, and so it's going to be depending on what level you come in at. So I put a bonus package together depending on what level you come in. So if you come in at any level, or you buy anything, and even if you buy the sample pack, even if you don't upgrade to the affiliate at this time, I'm going to enter you into a drawing for a 7-night vacation package in Thailand. The only thing you have to pay is your airfare and your taxes and whatever else spending, but it includes 7 nights at the hotel. And you just pay the taxes on that. Okay. Then if you upgrade to an affiliate, which could include just the extra $20 that you spent when you get the affiliate, so you'd be in for $31.95, or you come in at any one of these levels, I will also enter you in the private Facebook group, and I will give you 50 voice drops text messages. What this means is I'm able to get biz opportunity seekers, so people that are actively looking or involved with network marketing or different ways that they're looking for different business opportunities. So I have lists of those. They're fresh lists to you. So I can actually drop a voicemail in their cell phone without it ringing to leave them a message about this opportunity. And I will do that for you, and I'll give you 50 of them for any affiliate. Plus I'll send those same people a text message. So that'll double whammy them, and they'll get those links. Then if you come in at director or above, in addition to all these bonuses, I'm going to give you an additional 100 voice drop text messages, plus 3 nights in either Las Vegas or Orlando. And all you do is you pay the taxes and the resort fees, so you're going to get everything above plus that. Then, if you come into executive, which is the best place to come in, because you get more commissions, more overrides, I'm going to give you an additional 100 voice drops. So that would be 250 total voice drops you would have. You also, in addition to this 3 nights, you're going to get an additional 5-night Mexico vacation package. Plus, I am putting together a fast-track social media training course. But also in our private Facebook group, my team is these gals that are really great, and they have put together a sort of a fast action thing on how you can use social media, the way to do some posting, the way to get your name out amongst people, and that's 100% what they do to generate their businesses. And you'll get that coming in when you join the Facebook group. So at any level, you're going to get the Facebook group. And I'm also going to give you access to some special marketing tools that we'll talk about later. To claim your bonuses, you're just going to go down here, send me an email at this email address, put in the bonus, in the subject line bonus, tell me what level you came in, your name, your email address, and that type of thing. And we'll connect on Facebook and that kind of stuff. So it's not going to just leave you hanging. We'll be in touch. So I just wanted to show you my bonus pack. You're going to either take the tour, get a free sample. You can upgrade from this free sample to an affiliate for $11.95 for the shipping, plus an additional $20 for the affiliate, or just get the sample pack. That's okay if you just want to try it before you go farther. And if you do the affiliate, you get that. And then, or you can take the tour, which will take you to this place. I wanted to show you the Mayan Palace. This is the hotel that for the 7-night in Mexico vacation. This is just a slideshow of the resort. Some things in the area. It's got a golf course. It's very nice. It's a Mayan Palace in Cancun, but you can pick from 5 different vacation sites in Mexico. This is Cancun. Here's the pool. So here's sort of an overview of the resort. It's beautiful. So you can't go wrong. The bonuses will pay, you know, along with the products and everything. They make you feel great. I've only been taking them for a couple of weeks, and I'm feeling really good. And so there you have it. Thank you.